Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Camon 18 Premier, and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and I hope that you can see those grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording, and it is because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear after resetting the settings. In order to do that, we have to enter the settings themselves. They are in the left upper corner, so let's tap on this icon, and then scroll down to the very bottom to find Restore Defaults. Let's tap on it. Let's confirm it with OK, and as you can see, we've been immediately transferred to the camera, and the grid lines are not visible, which simply means that we just successfully reset all camera settings. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.